So I was sitting in the room and I was about to do some braids in my hair, right? I was gonna put some braids over top of my locks. My locks are kind of short, right? Like, look at my hang time in the back. I want to pin that up because I don't like that. But my locks are really short, right? And I just said, I'm trying to be all natural and I want to stay natural. I got human hair because I don't do synthetic hair anymore. And I did my daughter hair in some some human hair braids or whatever. Because she is still, hooked. Me, not so much. So I thought about it, but it's like, that's a lot of work. You know what I'm saying? And I just didn't do. So I said, look at this. I was thinking about doing this to my hair. And that's when I said, hold up. My hair too short for that. But look. Right? Cute, right? It's cute, right? I like it.